Temporary fencing like this is only ever as good as its weakest point. So if there's a gap here where it gets terminated against something like a shipping container, then someone can easily squeeze through. Now you can tie it off at the bottom there, but it's a messy solution and someone can still force their way through if they really wanted to. Let's use a couple of domino clamps, some tube clamps, some 42mm tube, and get the job done properly. Now that those two domino clamps are in place, we're going to use two of these palm railing style fixings, one of which has been drilled all the way through, to fix this, a 2.5 metre 42mm diameter steel pole right up the side of the shipping container. These tube clamps are available in our shop, and each one comes with a pair of bolts and washers so you can bolt them directly to our domino clamps. Now that we've got this tube in place, all that's left to do is to clip a fence panel to it as if it was another panel of fencing. So there you go, a fencing panel attached securely to a shipping container the right way. Follow us on YouTube for more how-to videos. We're on the other social channels as well, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, always /Domino Clamps. And in the meantime, happy clamping!